Hi, good morning everyone. This is Sir John Kevin Paunel at nandito po ako ngayon sa Solana, Zaragoza, located in Barangay Sapa, Libutad, Angeles City, and nasa harap natin yung Rania model. So pag-usapan po natin yung Rania model para sa mga naghahanap po ng property within Angeles area. So the Rania model unit has a minimum lot area of 156 square meters. Meron siyang floor area na 151 square meters, 4 bedrooms, and 3 toilet and bathroom. Gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo yung mapa since kakagaling ko lamang po sa office. So nakikita nyo po yung mapa na yan. At ito po, yung green, yun po yung mga sold units. While yung white, yan naman po yung mga available. Yung dilaw, model unit. Tapos RFO yung blue, on hold yung purple, ongoing naman yung kulay pink. So, may mga ongoing units tayo dito like this. Ano siya? Mira. Dalawang Mira model. Which is, ang Mira model, ito po yun. Yan. Pero later on, sige, papasukan po natin yan. Ito na muna pong Rania model. So, makikita niyo po halos mangilan-ngilan na lamang po yung mga units na available po natin dito. Kaya, let's go. Pasok. Ano po natin? Let's discuss the details. Ito po yung ating 2-vehicle carport with roof cover, single detached unit. Meron siyang 3 meter setback sa frontage, which you can basically set up this as your mini pocket garden. Inspired by modern Spanish design. Yung ating units dito, as you can see, there are wall tile cladding on the exterior wall with the massive windows, steel railings. It gives accent. May mga moldings na rin po. We have an outlet dito sa ating carport. Paved na yung ating carport. And of course, we have a setback dito sa side ng bahay. Dito po sa left side niya, mga nasa 1.5 meter setback space. And there you have it, your service area with kitchen counter, or you may call it as a counter, not a kitchen counter, kasi we have a formal kitchen counter dito sa inside of the unit. Of course, since detached to, that's why the unit has spaces side by side, front and back. Dito po, ayan, makikita nyo po yung ano na yon, boundary of the fence. Hanggang dyan din po yung boundary dito. So just to give you the idea, mga nasa 1.2